What's up guys, I got the brake lines, so today we're going to do it. And the weather is bad, it's cold, so my hand now is freezing, so the truck's almost 1 month I didn't do it. So today maybe going to finish, maybe not. It's very cold, I can feel it, the cold. So we're going to replace the back lines too, 2 of them. So I don't know if that one's rusted or not. To be sure, we're going to replace those 2, and then going on that way on the engine, kind of there's a fuel pump, I think. So we're going to stop over there, but over all the way we're going to replace it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And the brake lines, so we're going to use 3/16 and then 1/4. So this one is by inch, there's a millimeter. I think this one is 4 millimeter, I think, I'm not sure. This one is 6 point something millimeter, not sure. And then this one is my tools, I got those tools too. And then this one, the kit come with this one, the brake line. So we're going to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I hope you'll be easier too for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe. Okay guys, so I'm going to take this line. It is 11 millimeter. We're going to use the brake tool for this. So I'm going to replace the whole line from down there to here because of this one, this pad. They told here in the internet, so I'm going to replace. I'm going to do now is this one. I think they changed it before, so I'm going to do the whole line. There's no any separation down here from there, so it's harder to record from here. So I'm just take it off and I do those lines. So okay guys, so I take the old 2 lines, so I just trace it like this. I'll put tape down here and then bend it down here, tape like this. So all the way, all done. I just cut it off. So it's here. I'm going to arrange here. So to take the line over here, the bolt was not coming off, so I just cut it off from here. So I just put more line. This ones have more, so I can cut it later on. So for the smaller ones, same thing, to take it off, so it's hard, so I just cut it off, all of them. So now I'm going to make my own. So this one was longer for the lines, brake lines for the rear one, so I will make it short. So yeah, and then for the deep freezer was not taken off, I just damaged the bolt, so I'm going to order a new one. So yes, for this one, so this one I'm going to assemble it. I just forced it, I just cut it by grinder from here to take it off, otherwise it's not coming off. So that's my thing I did. So now let me do this one. I need to go inside the car and then bend it there. And then I don't know, I have I need at least 4 of this one. I don't know, I have 4, so maybe I need to order that. Let me check that one. Okay, I put it on the vise. Mine is 1/4, so I'm going to put it down here. So you're going to measure it. So let me show you. So if you can see, it's same with this one, the first one. So now I'm going to put it like this and then squeeze it. So I'm going to put some grease. Alrighty. Okay, all the way in. I think it is correct. Let's go and see it. So now this one. Okay, all done. So over here we're going to paint it down there. So don't forget to put this one, otherwise you're going to cut it. So over here I have something to down this. Put this excess here. So I need to turn this one. This way. My line is too long, so it'll be harder to pull out. More to be safe. Some oil. Put this one in. Okay guys, we change the wires down here and then all the way down there. So which I replaced this one too last time, I can't take it off, so I'm going to buy this bolt and then put it down here. This just like this, so I'm going to buy that. What's up guys, so I finished the brake lines. I showed you last time I guess, and today we're going to adjust the foot brake because moving the truck I didn't adjust it last time. So today we're going to do that, and then we're going to replace this. Last time I just damaged this bolt, so I got a new one from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. So we're going to do that and then finish under the car. First I'm going to adjust this. First I'll put this one and then adjust this one under there. So I hope you enjoy this video. So the old one, the bolt was damaged and then I can't take it off, so I just cut the old line and to take this one off. So this one's off. The new one I'm going to put it here and put it there. I need to paint it and some stuff I need two hands to do. What's up guys, welcome to Ebn C channel. Today I'm going to test drive the Ford. I just finished it yesterday. So the brake line was have issues, now fixed, hopefully it's not leaking. So today we're going to drive it an hour, 2 hours going forward. So I hope you enjoyed the video and like and subscribe. So guys, I drove it an hour and an hour only. So it was good drive. The brakes works, everything works, but I think the suspension have issues and the passenger sides have noise. So that one, maybe in the future I'm going to change that. And the power steering, the box too have issues. So that one in the future too. Two things I think. And the power steering, there is leak, so that one in the future too. I don't know when I'm going to replace that. For now I need to work on some project by this car. So I hope you enjoy this video. This is my update. So I'm going to back, so it'll be 9 hours, so it'll be good to drive at least 4 hours on this truck to tow. Maybe to towing is different, but yeah. So that's my update. I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, see you next time I guess. So I'm going to back and then I'll see, and then I'm going to check the brake line if they're leaking or not. That's the main thing. So now I'm getting colder the car because of diesel. To make it longer life, you need to at least 5 minutes running at idle, otherwise you'll damage the engine. So yeah, I'm doing that. I hope you enjoyed this video. What's up guys? So I drove the F250. So everything is good. The suspension has issues, I think, especially the passenger side, but it's better to change 4 of them. And I have bushing ordered. I don't know when it'll be here. So it's back ordered. So everything is good, the brakes working, no leaks for now. So, and I'm going to replace the diff front and rear. So stay tuned for that video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be serious. I mean, how much? A 6 or 5 video I have on this truck. What I did, the brakes I did front and back, and then the brake lines I replaced. I was trying to replace the bulb for the headlights, but I didn't get the good quality and it's not working. But I found one. That one might fit or not, so it depends for that. And then I replaced the bearing for the rear one and the seal. So check that video too. Front one, same thing. I replaced the seal all over it. And what is it? Front axle and rear axle, I did that. So check it out. I think the front one will be part 1, the rear one will be, I'm not sure. So stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this video and like and subscribe.